बिरेस्तारा मडगांवां तालुका आनी जिल्लो लीगल सर्व्हिसीन लीगल दीस मनोवपाक रॅली काडली. लीगल सर्व्हिसी बाबतींत जागृताय हाडपाक राज्यांत रॅली जाली. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The District Legal Services Authority, in association with the Taluka Legal Services Committees and the Goa State Legal Services Authority, are organizing this rally today to bring awareness among the people. It's an outreach program basically to make them aware of their rights, not just their rights but also of the legal services that we provide at Taluka levels, at district levels, even at the High Court levels. We right up to the Supreme Court, the legal services authorities all over India provide them help. So to make them aware of their rights and to make them aware of the services that we are providing, we are organizing this rally. As you can see, the rally has various placards. We offer services such as conciliation, mediation. There are legal services, advocates who provide free legal aid, and it is your right to get free legal aid. So whenever you have any issue, we have a Taluka Legal Service Committee at each Taluka. In each court of the Taluka, we have a legal services committee which looks after your matters. We provide you free legal aid, we provide you free legal advice, even to file a suit. If you need free stamp paper, we provide you that. And you do not have to pay anything for these services, provided you are entitled under Section 12 of the Legal Services Authorities Act. Such people such as women, children, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, people who are in prison, industrial workers, people who are victims of various atrocities, we provide them legal services.